Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Akil bin Horas Nizam and I will be starting our group presentation today by covering the introduction of our chosen company, which is SHOPEE. Now, let's begin with the introduction. As the global business landscape transforms through artificial intelligence, our report analyzes how applied AI reshapes modern corporate structures with a specific focus on SHOPEE. To maintain its leading position in Southeast Asia's highly competitive e-commerce market, SHOPEE has completely shifted from being just a basic shopping website into an AI-first digital platform. In this study, we evaluate how SHOPEE deeply weaves machine learning into its core operations for business optimization. At the same time, we will also address the critical friction points that comes with this technology, such as workforce displacement and data privacy issues.
Okay, let's move to the organization or industry overview. E-commerce industry and regional trends. E-commerce in Southeast Asia is highly competitive and rapidly growing. It also grows driven by mobile fast user and an expanding middle class population. The companies face logistic challenges, especially in countries with many islands. The industry is shifting from customer acquisition to profitability and efficiency. And then the automation and advanced technology are essential to manage large-scale operation and customer demands. Okay, next, the company profile. SHOPEE founded in 2015 under C Limited, leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan. It also operates through both C2C, consumers to consumers, and B2C, business to consumer, models via SHOPEE Mall. Supports millions of users and SMEs across the region. Integrated ecosystem with SHOPEE Pay and SPX Express for seamless shopping, payment, and delivery service. And the last one is, it is focuses on localization to meet the needs of different countries and markets. Next.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Irene. Now I'm going to present about AI application use in SHOPEE e-commerce. So my first point is the personalized recommendation system. So in this system, use AI to analyze what customers like and how they behave. And then it's recommend product based on their interest and preference. And also this help to improve the shopping experience and make customers happy of their purchase. And then it's also increase product visibility, create more sale opportunities, and support business growth. And then my second point is AI powered chatbot and virtual assistant. So in this point, SHOPEE use AI to provide instant support to customer, and the chatbot help user with common issue like account problem and any inquiries. And then this chatbot is available 24 hours. Customer get fastest response at any time. This improves service quality, reduce operational cost for SHOPEE, and encourage customers buy again and make them happy. So the third point of AI application use for SHOPEE is fraud detection and transaction security. This system use AI to monitor transaction and user behavior closely. It automatically detects fake account, fraud, and any suspicious activity on the platform. By doing this, it helps prevent unauthorized payments and protect users from cyber threats. And then this feature enhance our platform's security and reliability. Ultimately, it's build strong customer trust and support long-term business success for Shopee. Security is top priority, and AI make it possible and more secure to make any activities on the Shopee platform. So the fourth is inventory management and demand forecasting, which is Shopee use AI to predict futures product demand and sales trend. These features help sellers maintain sufficient stock levels all the time. It reduces the risk of stock shortage and stock overstocking problems. So this system also improves overall operational efficiency and warehouse management. And then lastly, it enhances customer transaction satisfaction and helps reduce unnecessary costs, which is like easy to say. This make stock stock management maintain much smarter and easier for seller. So the next is logistic optimizations and route planning, which is Shopee use AI to plan the fastest and best delivery route for drivers to deliver the items. This helps to reduce delivery times and save fuel costs. It also make package tracking more accurate for our customer. And then, in a short way to say is, it make the shipping process faster and more efficient. Okay. So the last one is image recognitions and visualizations. So these features allow user to search for products simply by using photo. Just scan or take a picture of the item and then go to the search tools, and then the AI will analyze the product and then show the similar result. So automatically AI can identify and match similar product available on the platform. This technology makes shopping much easier and faster for everyone and user friendly. So in any age of in any level of age can use these features. It improves overall customer satisfaction and provides a great user experience. So it encourages customers to continue using Shopee for their daily shopping needs. And this how Shopee use AI visuals to help users. So next we talk about impact of AI on daily operation on Shopee. The first one, we have enhanced customer service efficiency, which is Shopee use AI chatbot and to provide instant response to users. The system handles common issues automatically, such as order tracking and refund, and also the common question. And this allows human staff to focus on more complex problems. And then it is improve service quality, increase customer satisfaction, and reduce costs. It also encourages customers to make repeat purchase and happy for their purchase on the Shopee platform. And second, we have improved marketing effectiveness, which is AI helps Shopee provide personal ad vouchers and product recommendation. And it analyzes customer preference and purchase history to see what they like. This feature successfully increased sales and conversion rate on the platform. Basically, customer after they make a purchase on the Shopee platform, they have to rate on the product quality and then rate the Shopee service. So It's also enhanced customers' loyalty, improve engagement, and directly influence customer purchasing decision, which is Shopee also ready to make. And lastly, stronger security and risk control, which is this part. Shopee is more really secure about their customer preference and private information, which is the system monitor accounts and transaction continually, and it automatically detect suspicious activities and online fraud. These features protect our customers and prevent serious financial losses. It directly improves platform security and increase customers' trust. And then it maintains Shopee's good reputation and ensures business continuity. In short, we can say is AI keeps the platform safe for everyone and every single day. So, customer no need to worry about their account number or any fraud transaction because it's so safe. Thank you.
Okay, let's move to impact on decision making. The data-driven decision. AI predicts customer demands and manages inventory. It helps prepare stock for major sales events and optimize delivery routes in real time. It also improves fraud detection and platform security. Okay, the second one is seller and consumer decisions. Seller Center provides real-time businesses insight. It helps seller with pricing, promotion, and inventory planning. AI recommends product based on user behaviors, and it improves customer experience and boosts sales. Next, the last part of impact on decision making is sustainability and ESG decision. AI monitors carbon emissions and packaging waste. It reduces waste through smart packaging solution and supports cycling and return management. It also balances sustainability with operational efficiency.
Now, let's jump to my next part, which is the strategic impact and digital transformation of Shopee. There are 4 key points that highlight how AI has transformed their business structure. First, there is a fundamental strategic shift. AI is now positioned at the very heart of Shopee's business model, allowing the company to forecast market trends and consumer demand with incredible accuracy. Secondly, this gives Shopee a massive competitive edge. By combining intelligent recommendation system and heavy logistical optimization through Shopee Express, they have created a powerful network effect that is hard for competitors to beat. Thirdly, Shopee is empowering SMEs. They have transformed from a standard marketplace into a critical data infrastructure provider. This means they are now providing their merchants with direct access to data, to powerful AI-driven analytics to grow their businesses. And last but not least, to remain sustainable and compliant, Shopee is actively transitioning towards decentralized frameworks and expandable AI or XAI. This step is crucial to guarantee algorithmic transparency and protect user privacy, especially to comply with regulations like PDPA.
Okay, let's move to impact on people and job roles. The first one is job transformation, OPS and logistics. AI automates routine tasks like refunds, tracking, and merchant support. The employees move into higher level roles like escalation and data analysis. Less manual work, more focus on problem solving and decision making, while the warehouse shift from manual scanning to smart data driven system. The second one is reskilling and upskilling. Shopee trains employees for new digital and database roles. Staff become platform analysts and system quality monitors. It's focused on interpreting data and managing AI performance. It also helps workers adapt instead of being replaced by automation. Alright, the third one is human AI collaboration. AI handles large-scale data, routing and forecasting tasks. Human manage expectations, strategy, and real-world decision. These both work together instead of replacing each other. It also improves efficiency, accuracy, and overall operation.
Okay, this is the challenge, risk and ethical issue part. The first point is operational and technical challenges, which is it have the infrastructure and technical challenge. Integrating machine learning at scale requires immense computational power to manage real-time back-end processing and adapt to sudden extreme traffic spikes during peak events. The second one is operational and localization hurdles. Southeast Asia's fragmented markets and language diversity render monolithic AI models ineffective, necessitating constant country-specific manual data maintenance and frequent model retraining. Okay, the second point is systemic and financial risk, which is it has cybersecurity and regulatory risks. Its vulnerability to cyber attacks and data breaches involving sensitive information, leading to severe legal consequences and heavy regulatory fines. Next is operational and financial disruptions. Its critical reliance on automated logistics means technical failures can cause major supply chain gridlock, resulting in shipment delays, financial losses, and reputational damage. Last point at this part is ethical issues and algorithmic fairness. The first one is algorithmic bias and market inequality, which is AI recommendation models favor large brands over SMEs by prioritizing high GMV retailers, effectively acting as a digital gatekeeper that hinders smaller vendors. And the next is surveillance and consumer manipulation. Aggressive data harvesting creates invasive psychological profiles, enabling the platform to manipulate consumer behavior and encourage overspending rather than supporting user autonomy. We move to the recommendations and future improvements. The first point is mitigating cross-border technical frictions via federated learning and hyperlocal natural language processing. It shifts from a centralized systems to a decentralized FL paradigm to enable localized model training. This reduces computational overhead and prevents system bottlenecks during high traffic. Develop lightweight transformer frameworks, and this automates data cleansing and minimizes manual engineering, resulting in a more culturally sensitive and efficient AI network. The second point is strengthening infrastructure resilience through zero trust cybersecurity and edge AI redundancy. It implements continuous real-time authentication for every transaction and server connection. They uses micro-segmentation to isolate regional database, containing potential cyber attacks and ensuring strict compliance with local data laws. Runs optimized sorting and routing models locally at fulfillment hubs rather than relying solely on centralized servers. The last is eliminate single points of failure, allowing logistic operations to continue during server crash or internet outage. The last point of this section is enforcing marketplace equity and transparency via fair share algorithmic governance. Shopee should implement a fair share AI ranking framework to reserve specific spaces on front page feeds for micro vendors and SMEs. This democratizes search traffic and prevents artificial monopolization by large corporations with significant advertising budgets. The platform should integrate XAI features such as understanding your recommendations to provide transparency. The last is giving users the option to turn off behavioral tracking builds consumer trust and aligns commercial AI with social responsibility and user rights. For the conclusion part, Shopee has secured its market dominance in Southeast Asia by integrating AI-driven predictive systems into its core infrastructure. However, the platform now faces significant risks, including technical instability, regulatory hurdles like the PDPA, and ethical biases against smaller enterprises. To ensure long-term success, Shopee must shift its focus from aggressive data tracking toward algorithmic accountability, leveraging technologies like explainable AI and decentralized frameworks to build a more responsible, fair, and sustainable digital marketplace.